roofers and our audience, probably majority of our audience, are on a skeptic side. So we're all skeptics, right? Here's what fascinates me, and here's my prediction for this industry. Look at Amazon warehouse. Have you seen the footage of like robots like lifting up, getting and going like playing? It's like a chess game. Like you have like 28. Like it's insane. When you look at the modern warehouses, your mind just like pops up. Like what is happening? Like who's doing this? Is it aliens or humans build it? Right. That's the power of AI. Then add to this face recognition technology, right? So if there's enough money in it, there's enough money in warehousing, shipment, Amazon, so they develop it. There is face recognition. Look at China today. Like, they can track a person. They can track, anything from Tesla to cars. Like, if there is money behind it, and a roofing industry has money. Insurance companies are biggest buyers of money. So my prediction, with the next 10 years, we're going to have AI technology. When they drone flies, just like a face technology, it will identify the gutter size, the downspout size, the materials, the texture, because it's not that hard with the money behind the research. So by the end of that inspection, it will not be any worse than human, probably better, because what we're lacking is, right now what we're doing. So we have images, but we need a human who will write down material list, vents, and stuff like that. You think freaking AI cannot do that?
No, it's going to.
It's going to, right?
We already in just the technology that we have, we're already able to tell you what the length of the gutter. You are exactly right with what you're saying.
But now you have pipelines, like pipes, accessories. You have all the forces. I think in 10 years, it'll be all AI. Pretty much what materials there, what accessories there. How much does it cost? Where to buy it? Who can do it? It'll be all automated.
You're watching everything come together right now.
Yes.
All the APIs, you're watching everything slowly go like this where it's coming together. And I do agree. The AI is going to come. And in extreme cases, you are going to need a physical. But outside of that, the majority of stuff, especially when insurance companies go to using the technology in the underwriting side. Because now what that insurance company has is they have a before and now they have a physical after. And they can take the AI and they can tell the difference of what this property looked like here and what it looks like now. Doing the exact same, makes sense? Doing the exact same flight. And that's where and then what's going to happen as well, because we're already working on that, is having you go and you fly your drone, and as soon as you're done, you have your estimate setting there with whatever product you have. I mean, look at the different platforms you have out there today that you can go and get a good, better, best. And it has a different type of products that's all there. You simply press the button, that drone lands, and you're going to have a complete estimate over here of your product specific to you and what you're selling.
What's scary to me is we're taking away the human element of it, and we're adding certain algorithms. And if you think, I don't know if you played or went down the rabbit hole of ChatGPT yet. I have, and
yeah, it's amazing.
I will never be the same. I mean, think about it. Like,
it's amazing.
If you're a adjuster, you can literally go in and say, write denial letter from State Farm to this country. It'll write it for you. Here's an example for you that I want to share. So recently, one of my guys sent me, said, Dmitry, I need an article for roofconference.com. So we have conference, by the way, everybody's invited, Orlando, beautiful time, 15, 16 of February. So we need the article, why would anybody attend it? And it happened to me that email came like 9 p.m. and I'm showing to my wife ChatGPT, and she's like, she can't believe it. It's like, say what? Like, no, isn't like, yeah, baby, here's the one. So email comes in, and I was like, I'll show you. And I put in the search, like, write a blog on why would anyone wants to attend a roofing process conference. It spits out. If you go to roofconference.com, I confess to my guy who wrote me email today that was Chat. He could not believe. Like, you tricked me. 3 seconds later, 7 reasons to attend a roofing process conference. Number one, network, meet other like-minded contractors. Number two, learn from best speakers in the industry. Like all together, I mean, some of them what can't, right? And I'm like, good enough for me. Copy, paste, send email. This is what's freaking gonna happen. I mean, think about if ChatGPT can create exactimate estimate for State Farm. So you give them a data from the drone, from the AI, and it's like, I need exactimate estimate for this, or denial letter, or approval letter, or wherever.
It's generated.
It generated
Yep.
3 seconds.
It's amazing. My marketing guy brought it up to me about a week and a half, 10 days ago. And I have a daughter that's a senior. She's in high school, and she just had to do a report, and she's in just on a little internship with us with it. And I go, tell him what you had to do the report on. And she said it, and then in 10 seconds, it was 500 words already written, and she was just dumbfounded.
I mean, it's saying you can say like, hey, write a recruiting ad for my company. It will do it for
do
you.
it.
Like, write Facebook ad for our company. Like wherever you want. But would you say that's the future? Like
Technology, the technology with the drone technology and where it's going, and it's going to extend past the drone technology in that as you do a physical evaluation, and if you document it the right way and the right platform that documents it, those same photos can have AI applied to it for your siding, your gutters, your elevations are going around the property, and it's just a matter of time. You say 10 years, I'm going to tell you it might be sooner than what you think.
it's conservative, and you're right. I think you're right because I still cannot comprehend how fast it's changing. I think this year, 2023, will change a lot of things.